How to set up a Google Meet. To schedule a meeting, log into your Google account and click the app launcher icon. Click the Calendar app. You will be taken to your Google Calendar. Click Create. Type the meeting title. Set the meeting preferences. Please ensure everything is set up correctly. Invite your meeting attendees by adding their email addresses. Please note G Suite for Education can accommodate up to 250 participants. Set your guest permissions. Ensure your guests cannot make changes to your meeting or invite others. Untick the necessary boxes. Click here to add Google Meet video conferencing. Click Save. Click Send and you're done. Your invite will reach your attendees. Thanks for watching. Happy meeting!